Nokomis offers a mix of 130 studio, alcove, 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, along with a 24,000 square foot supermarket which occupies the ground floor retail space. Residents have access to climate-controlled parking, a business center, sky lounge, fitness center, and other amenities. Taracon Precast and Wysan Precast Services manufactured, delivered, and installed almost 98,000 square feet of precast concrete hollow core, over 45,000 square feet of precast concrete insulated and solid wall panels, 130 inverted T-beams, and 196 columns, completing the project on time and on budget. The team worked collaboratively to design and construct a luxury mixed-use building that is both functional and visually appealing. Insulated architectural precast concrete wall panels with inlaid thin brick were used to enhance the luxury building design by highlighting different textures and visual nuances. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, precast concrete's durable, low-maintenance characteristics, energy efficiency, and fast erection schedule made it the perfect choice for this project. See more precast concrete projects at pcimidwest.org.